Are you looking for a great deal on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5? Well, you're in luck. The Samsung winter sale is in full swing, and they've got a special offer that might just be the perfect Christmas gift for you or a loved one. This year, Samsung is pulling out all the stops with a fantastic offer on the Galaxy Z Flip5, a phone that's been making waves in the smartphone market. The Galaxy Z Flip5, Samsung's popular foldable phone, is now available with an offer that will make your wallet sing. When you order this sleek device before the winter sale wraps up, you become eligible to receive up to $600 of instant trade-in credit. That's right. Samsung is ready to take your old phone and give you a hefty discount on your brand new Z Flip5. But that's not all. Along with the trade-in credit, Samsung is also throwing in a free storage boost to 512 gigabytes. Now that's an additional $120 value right there. So not only are you getting a brand new phone but also a substantial upgrade in storage without spending a single extra dime. So let's do the math. The Galaxy Z Flip5, with its state-of-the-art design and top-tier features, can be yours for a price as low as $399.99. Yes, you've heard it right. All you need to do is trade in your old phone, and you could be the proud owner of a brand new Galaxy Z Flip5 without breaking the bank. This is a golden opportunity to upgrade your phone and step into the exciting world of foldable technology. But remember, the clock is ticking. The Samsung winter sale ends soon, and you don't want to miss out on this incredible offer. This means you could potentially get the phone for as little as $399.99. Now that's a deal. Now I know you're wondering, how can you get this amazing deal? Well, let's dive right into it. The first step is to head over to Samsung's website and grab the Galaxy Z Flip5 before the winter sale ends. Easy, right? But here's where the magic happens. You'll be eligible for a free storage upgrade to a whopping 512 gigabytes and up to $600 of trade-in credit when you send in your old or broken phone. Yes, you heard that right. Now I hear you asking, what if I don't have a phone to trade in? Well, you're still in luck. Amazon and Best Buy are also offering a $150 discount off the unlocked Z Flip 512GB. A fantastic deal by all measures. Samsung is not only offering these incredible deals, but also being transparent about the trade-in items they accept. For instance, if you have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Z Flip 4, or Z Fold 4, you'll get the maximum $600 credit. Even older phones like the S21 Ultra and Z Flip 3 will earn you a still great $500 discount. Now, if you're curious about the deal but aren't ready to commit, I suggest you simply dig out those old devices and use Samsung's trade-in tool to see how much you can save. It's a simple, straightforward process, and you might just be surprised at the value that's been gathering dust in your drawers. So don't wait. Dig out those old devices and see how much you can save. Remember, the Samsung winter sale ends on Sunday, and this is the perfect opportunity to get your hands on one of the best Android phones released this year. You could be getting the Galaxy Z Flip5 for as little as $399.99 if you play your cards right. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make the most of this deal together. But, what's so special about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5, you might ask? Well, let's dive into its features and find out why it's truly a game changer. Firstly, the Galaxy Z Flip5 is powered by an impressive custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This is a powerful processor that ensures smooth and fast performance, regardless of whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking. This is a phone designed to keep up with your fast-paced digital lifestyle. Next, we have the AMOLED cover display. This is not just any display, it's a new and improved version that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or viewing photos, the Galaxy Z Flip5's display brings everything to life with stunning clarity. Now let's talk about durability, because we all know how important that is in a smartphone. The Galaxy Z Flip5 features a durable water drop style hinge. This hinge, coupled with an aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 construction, ensures the phone can withstand the rigors of daily use, so you can fold and unfold your phone without any worries. Lastly, but certainly not least, the Galaxy Z Flip5 comes with a promise of years of software support. This means you can look forward to regular updates that will keep your phone running smoothly and securely. This commitment to software support also extends to the phone's user interface, which is intuitive and user-friendly. Additionally, when you buy the Z Flip5 from Samsung, you get to choose from a number of exclusive color options. So, Not only do you get a phone that is high on performance, but you also get one that reflects your personal style. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is not just a phone, it's a powerhouse of features packed into a sleek and stylish foldable design. It combines the best of performance, display, durability and design, making it truly one of the best Android phones released this year. With all these features, the Galaxy Z Flip5 is truly one of the best Android phones released this year. So, is this deal right for you? Let's delve into that by first looking at who might find this deal particularly appealing. If you've been sitting on the fence about trying a foldable phone, this might be the perfect opportunity to take that leap. The Galaxy Z Flip5 is a top-tier phone that has impressed reviewers and users alike with its high performance and innovative design. The price tag, while usually steep, has been significantly reduced, making it a more accessible option for those intrigued by the foldable phone trend. Additionally, those who have a Samsung phone from the last 3 years could find this deal particularly enticing. With the potential to receive up to $600 in instant trade-in credit, the price of the Galaxy Z Flip5 can be reduced to a mere $399.99. This is an excellent way to get a significant discount on a newer model while also responsibly disposing of your old device. However, this deal may not be for everyone. If you don't have an old device to trade in, you may find the price reduction less significant. While the offer is still a good one, it might not be as appealing without the added trade-in value. Furthermore, if the clamshell-style phones aren't your cup of tea, this might not be the deal for you. While the Galaxy Z Flip5 is a fantastic device, its unique design might not be everyone's preference. If you prefer a more traditional smartphone layout, you might want to skip this deal. In conclusion, this deal offers incredible value for those who are interested in foldable phones and have a device to trade in. However, it might not be the best fit for those without a trade-in device, or those who are not fans of the clamshell design. Consider your options carefully, but remember, the Samsung winter sale ends on Sunday. Now that you know all about this fantastic Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 offer, let's do a quick recap. The Samsung winter sale is offering an amazing deal on the Galaxy Z Flip5. By trading in an old or broken phone, you could receive up to $600 of instant trade-in credit and a free storage boost to 512 GB. That's a potential saving of $720, bringing the cost of this high-performing foldable phone down to just $399. The deal ends today, so be sure to act fast. It's not every day that you get the chance to own one of the best Android phones on the market, packed with features like a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, an improved AMOLED cover display, and an aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 construction for such a steal. So, don't miss out on this great opportunity. Visit Samsung today and get yourself a great deal on the Galaxy Z Flip5. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.